Hello, friends. Welcome to Game Changers. All right. So, thank you for subscribing. That's to those who subscribed. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, hmm, make sure you do that right now. Yeah, YouTube told me you did not subscribe. So, make sure you subscribe now. All right. Yeah, thank you very much. Today, we are going to be learning about adding fractions with different denominators. Now, this is a global crisis. So, I said, let me just address this and calm your nerves because this is really easy. Most of you, whenever you are given a question and you're asked to add two fractions whose denominators are the same, well, that's easy peasy for you. For example, you have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, and you're asked to add them. Be like, oh, I mean, it's quite easy. Just 1 plus 2, that'll give me 3, and pick any of these threes here, 3 over 3. Easy peasy. In fact, you want to take it a step further, 3 divided by 3, that will give you 1. Real easy, right? But what if you're not given a question where the numerators are the same or even different? Doesn't matter. But the denominators are different. What do? You can't just pick any of them and say, oh, that's our answer for the denominator, then add the numerators. No, that wouldn't work here. So what do? I came up with this trick. Well, I didn't come up with the trick, but I've been using this trick for a while. So at the point I feel like I'm the creator of it, or at the point I thought I was the creator of it. So yeah, what to do in this case is to simply multiply the denominators together. 2 times 3 is what? I'm sure you know it. It's 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Good. So we're going to draw a line here. That's not the line I want. Draw a line here and say this is write 6 here. Then the next thing we're going to do is to cross multiply. To cross multiply means to multiply the denominator of the first fraction. The first fraction is 1 over 2. We're going to multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Now, excuse me, I'm going to use a different color for this. So multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. So that'll be 2 times 1. That'll give us 2. So I'm going to write the 2 here. Yeah. Then we're going to multiply the second fraction, the denominator of the second fraction with the numerator of the first fraction. We'll do that gently to avoid trouble. So that'll be 3 times 1, which is 3. So we're going to write 3. Now, before we write 3, remember that we have a sign here. That sign is called the addition sign. So we're going to add the addition sign here and write 3. 2 plus 3, that gives us 5 over 6. Awesome. We're going to do the same thing for number 2, for the second question. 2 over 5 plus 5 over 6. So easy peasy. 5 times 6, that will give us 30. So we put the dash and write 30 as our denominator. Then 6 times 2. Now we can start from anywhere, right? So I can start from the second fraction, the denominator of the second fraction. So I can say 6 times 2 right here. That will give me 12. So I'm going to write 12 first. What sign do we have here? We have the plus sign. So we're going to write it here. Plus 5 times 5 is what? Why are we first of all multiplying 5 by 5? We are going to multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. I hope this is not confusing. We are going to multiply them together. So 5 times 5 is 25. So we are going to write 25 here. Please tell me, mathematicians in the house. 25 plus 12, or 12 plus 25 is what? That will be 37 over 30 as our denominator. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Just a little task. For the third question, I want you to solve it. Follow the exact patterns I used to solve the first and the second question. Use that to solve the third question and put it in the comment section. Now, in case you don't get it right, I would love to have the privilege of correcting your errors. Yeah, so do that quickly. In case you want a personal class with us, with game changers, with any of our tutors, please reach out with the phone number in the comment section or in the description section. You can reach out to us through that WhatsApp number, or you can reach out to us through the email. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next class. Bye bye.